working with the coordinate plane, and you guys have worked with the coordinate plane before, but just as a reminder, the coordinate plane is formed by intersections of horizontal number lines and vertical number lines. This is a picture of a coordinate plane. The number lines intersected the origin. So something that I want to point out is this part right here is your origin. And lots of times you may have questions that say, that talk about the origin, and they don't list it as 0, 0. You just have to understand that when they talk about the origin, where you originate, it is 0, 0. So it's that very middle intersecting part. They're also separated, the coordinate plane is also separated into 4 sections. And take note that we have 4 quadrants. So we have quadrant 1 that starts in the upper right-hand corner, and that has positive x's and y's. And then you work counterclockwise as you work your way around the coordinate plane. So you'll notice that quadrant 2 is here, then quadrant 3, and quadrant 4 lastly. Okay? They will ask you questions every once in a while about quadrants. Maybe they'll have you place a point with a set of coordinates, and then they will also ask you what quadrant that is. So you have to become comfortable with identifying the different types of quadrants. There are 2 axis lines, and those are your very center lines. You have the x-axis, which is right here. It's the one that is going horizontally across. It's that 0. And then you also have the y-axis, which is the one that is going vertically up and down. Okay, so those are your x and y, just in case they ever ask a question on x and y axis. Also, in your set of coordinates, the first number stated is your x, and the second number stated is your y. And we'll kind of practice that on a couple as we're plotting points. Okay, so in order